guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to run through a really quick tutorial on how you can clean, condition, and preserve your leather shoes. I have a pair of leather booties that I got last year that are worse for the wear, and so it is time to polish them up. So I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in a relatively short amount of time. So I'm going to concentrate on the dark brown pair and the black pair for this video. I got both of these about a year ago and they are in desperate need of being spruced up. It was recommended that I use Blackrock Leather N Rich. This is not sponsored. I just thought this was a super cool product, and they include an instruction card for you to follow. So in my leather care kit that I got from them, it includes this 100% horsehair brush, which is made in Germany. And you can see the bristles are really, really nice. And I love the fact that it's a wooden handle and not a plastic one. But as per the instructions, I am just going to brush off all the dirt, all the grime, and all of the dust off my sad little shoes to get them ready for cleaning. One of the reasons I was super excited to try this product in particular is that it has been a family recipe since 1976, and it's also made in Tennessee. And you can see it's this beautiful Carnauba Wax. It is not tacky, it's not sticky. It just has a really buttery feel to it. And again, just checking on the instructions, all I'm gonna do is use my fingertips and apply a dime-sized amount of Blackrock evenly in circular motions to allow the product to penetrate the leather. And I would definitely say to use this sparingly, but if for some reason you find like, oh, I put way too much on this section, it's really easy to just move the product around. And you'll see this product just sinks right into the leather. The before and after is crazy. And basically all I'm doing is just continuing with that circular motion, so the warmth from my fingertips is really going to help melt the product into the leather. And I'm just going section by section, and occasionally I'll just take my fingertip back into the product, into the jar, take a little bit out and work it back into the leather. And as you work your way around the shoe, it'll become pretty obvious which sections need a little more attention than others. There were some areas where I just added a little bit more product because it seemed drier than other areas. But this is actually my first time using this. This is actually my first time ever polishing and conditioning, cleaning my leather shoes. And that's because I just made a decision that I wanted to invest in handcrafted shoes. And because I'm paying a little bit more for that, I want these to last a very, very, very long time. So I want to be sure I learn how to properly take care of them. And if your shoes have leather heels and leather soles like mine do, don't forget to hit that area as well. You can tell, like, these spots in particular were so dried out. They were desperately in need of some reconditioning. And then all I'm gonna do is just work the product in the whole way around the length of the shoe, just so the entire sole, including the underside, is getting nice and conditioned. This is the best these shoes have looked since I took them out of the box about a year ago. And then here's a before and after. So the shoe I just conditioned is on top and the one that needs to be done is on the bottom. Included in my kit was this 100% cotton cloth that was also handmade in Tennessee, and I'm just going to take it and rub the leather to lift out all the dirt and the excess product. And there you go, one down, one to go. And while I was at it, I decided to attack a pair of Red Wings that my husband bought for me last year for my birthday. Again, this is the first time I have cleaned and conditioned them, and they turned out beautifully. I really like this product. Again, not sponsored. I just thought it was a super cool family-owned business. I will leave all the information about Blackrock as well as a link to their website down below, so definitely check them out. I don't think you will be disappointed, but in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!